Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understand.
Hi guys, Twistncoils here. I'm just popping in to show you the style of the day I'm doing on my client. We started out on freshly washed hair, and now here I'm just separating her hair so I can go ahead and detangle it again before we get ready to blow dry her hair. I love breaking the hair down in sections. It makes it really easier to go ahead and work through all of this beautiful hair. So I'm separating the hair and just placing it in some large twists to get ready to blow dry her hair. And I'll leave a link down below for all the products that we use in the video. Okay, so we're using a Revair dryer to go ahead and blow dry her hair completely. And we're gonna leave it on for about 60 to 90 seconds per section. And there you see it, it's really doing a good job. And then we're gonna go into the style, but first we're gonna trim her ends. I just love her hair color. This is her natural hair color, so she has the little peekaboo in the front, and that's just all natural. That's how it grows. Beautiful hair. So we're gonna go in and do a trim and get rid of some of those dead ends, and then we'll proceed into the style. Okay, so yeah, we just trim her ends and we're just chopping it up, and we're talking about how often you trim your ends. So I got a question for you guys. How often do you trim your ends? And are you more of a duster, or do you actually just take off 1 to 2 inches that needs to go? So leave a comment down below and let me know. Okay, so we're adding mousse to her hair. We did some side braids, and then we're doing some 2-strand twists in the back. I love styles like this because you can do the braids in the front and then a 2-strand twist in the back, which means you can wear it for 1 week with the twist, and then the next week you can unravel it to have a beautiful twist out. So that's pretty cool to switch up your look and have 2 different styles. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this look. And again, make sure you're following me on social media, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. And I'll be sure to post the final results when she takes down her hair, if she sends me a picture. So again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.